what we want to do is we want to start, as always, with an assistant. Then the assistant needs to go to image generator. For the image generator, you can go for 16 by 9. If you are doing some sketches and stuff like that, you can use auto if you want. If you already know what you are looking for and you want very good quality right away, then you go for GPT-2, 2K, and then you do medium. I very rarely use high. I just use medium or low, depending on what you want. I always do 2 to 4 generations. It helps. Then you want to visualize what you want to do. Okay, because if you want to do something like this, where you have an image that you need to be using as reference, then you need to give that as reference, right? If you don't, then you don't start with a reference, okay? I'm going to show you both examples. So let's say that we want to create, not this one. Let's say that we want to create this image, right? What do we have? We have a menu. Left side, we have a logo. Center, we have a menu. Right side, we have a quiz with a login. Good. Then we have a here section. On the left side, we have mini headline, a headline, a paragraph, and a button. Then we have, some kind of sub CTA, and for stats or stuff like that, or like for credibility and safety. And then we have an image on the right, which is a dog, and we have the background, right? So this is always what we want to go for. So let's go ahead and try to create something similar to this. First things first, give them an idea of what we want to build. So I want to build a hero section or above the fold, design. Next, let's start building it. We start with a navigation bar. Then we have logo on the left, menu on the center, and then login and CTA button on the right. Then we move to the main hero section, where we have 2 columns, left and right. On the left, we have 1 mini headline, 1 headline, 1 short paragraph, 1 CTA, 1 credibility side-by-side bullets. On the right column, we have a picture of a chow wearing raincoat. Okay. Now, background. For the background, I want something in the shades of green. Use green for main color, and select accent color that would go very well with green. Okay, for fonts, let's use Honest for bold headlines, and Open Sans regular for paragraphs. Right, let's go ahead and just generate. Okay, so you'd already adjusted this to adjusted the prompt to a more prompt-like scenario with Gemini 3.1. Now he's generating these 4 emojis, so let's just wait for the results. All right, so now we have it here. This one, yeah, and they're okay. So now what we do, we want to make sure that we pick the things that we like the most, because these are just 4 ideas. So you have your first one. So here, first one. I like the nut bar, maybe not this one. I like this one versus that one. I actually prefer this one versus this one. I prefer this one. So now I chose this one and I download it. Next, hero section. What do I like the most? This is the first one. Okay, it's not bad. I don't like this one. I prefer this. This one is not bad as well. I prefer this one. Okay, this one is not bad, but I think the font, I prefer this one. This is much better font than this one. And also I prefer this font. Okay, so the icons, these icons are very good. I don't like these ones, but these, nope, these ones are very good. So I like these icons. I just download these. So let's go to Figma and let's start building things. Okay. Okay. So now let's add this one. So this one was for the menu. Let's just make that like so. This one was for the icons. Okay. So this one we need to make this a little bit more, maybe one more. Okay, that's fine. We have the icons. Let's go ahead for hero section. I like this one. I like this one as well. I actually like this one. So I'm going to use this one. Done. Let's go ahead and drag this here. Let's add here. Let's adjust these two. And now we want to remove these things. So what we do is we add this and we add the color and it's hidden. Now it's not perfectly hidden, but then again, this is just an idea. So we have that there. If you want to make it better hidden, you can go ahead and do a gradient. So you can do gradient like that and this gradient like that. And now it's much better hidden. Now we add this one to the front and we want to make sure that this is small. So we just add it below the button like so, or like this. Okay, looking good. Now this background here, I don't dislike it. We could have that. Let's go back here and see if we have something better. Okay, so do I like this? I actually like it, but we have 100%. So, but there's a redundancy because we have these and we have these. So what I would do, healthy dogs, happy life. So what I would do instead of free shipping, I would do something around like the products that they have. So I like this, but at the same time I don't. So what we could do is we could change this. So let's go ahead and do that. Now I add it here. I'm going to use this. So done. I'm going to make like that, but not this one. So corner radius 0, 0. Okay, so I'm going to edit here, but these ones, I need to remove them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a text. I'm going to say snacks, healthy snacks, healthy food, and what? Toys, maybe toys, stimulant toys, or perfect toy, safe toys. And then I'm going to edit here. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. And now I'm going to add more space between these. I like it. This looks good. We can also add a nav bar. So content, let's go ahead and FOMO maybe. Let's add a FOMO bar. So add a FOMO bar on top of the hero section. Anything else? I don't think that we need anything else. So I'm just going to run it again to have 4 more and then you can do it from there. So as you can see here, this is cool. Now let's say that you want to change this to a different copy. We can also make it happen. I'm going to share that with you later. But one of the things that you can do is you can do the exact same thing. So you hide this. You change the gradient to fit the gradient that we have right here. Okay, and then you add the font there. Okay, this is just one way, but there's more. There's a little more. So let's go ahead. For the navbar. Okay, so now let's see these ones. Flash sales. Do I like this one? Yes, I actually like the entire thing. This one, I prefer this one here. And about this one, I prefer this one, or this one. I actually prefer this one. So this one is better. As far as everything else, I actually like this quite a bit, but I'll just want that navigation bar, so that FOMO bar. So I'm going to use that FOMO. Done. Okay. I'm going to edit here. If you like this tutorial, there's a lot more right here inside the AI Funnelpreneur, which is the mentorship platform where we teach every single thing we know about AI. We talk about every single thing. We talk about how to build your software stack, your arsenal. We have plenty of videos there. We also talk about how to code your first app. We give you the step-by-step tutorial so that at the end, you successfully launch your very first app for yourself. Then you talk about UI, UX, and conversions. We have plenty more coming in as well, and the certification. We also have the full step on how to start and how to finalize a full web app. We talk about the brand voice. We talk about how to build 3D characters, designing, accessibility, performance, security. We talk about code quality. We talk about SEO and AEO or GEO. We talk about legal compliance and maintenance, internationalization, and also VSL and promotion videos with AI, and a lot more coming. So if this is something that you like, you enjoy, and want to learn more, feel free to join the AI Funnelpreneur right now. We might have a very cool discount for you as we are in beta. So you do have 60% discount depending on when you're watching this video. Cheers.